Want to record your screen faster without digging through settings? Whether you are capturing gameplay, a tutorial, or quick how-to for a friend, there's a faster way to start recording on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra using the Edge Panel task shortcut. Let me show you how to do it. First, you have to make sure that the task panel is on and record screen shortcut is add to this panel. To do so, drag the Edge Panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge Panel, and then tap gear icon to customize the panels. Here, make sure that the task panel is turned on. Tap Edit at the bottom of the task panel. Scroll down the screen. Under Advanced Feature section, tap Record Screen to add the shortcut to the task panel. Close the setting. To see how to use the shortcut, open the Edge Panel again. Find Task Panel. Now, tap Record Screen. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the sound setting. There are three options available: None, Media, Media, and Mic. As the example, we will select None, so that the phone will not record any sound while recording the screen. Here, you can also enable or disable show tabs and touches. As the example, we will let this option on. After setting your preferences, you can tap Start Recording to start recording what's on your screen. As you can see, you are now recording your screen in just a few taps. No need to search through menus. Given to the function, using the record screen shortcut on the Edge Panel saves you times and makes screen recording super easy. It's perfect for tutorials, demos, or even showing someone how to do something step by step. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.